guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hi bro.
Hi.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Brother's channel. Always a joy to meet a biker brother. Wishing him all the best. He's working really hard to create good quality content. So be at it. I'm pretty damn sure you'll make it big in the days to come. Always spread positivity and ride responsibly. Cheers.
Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Ford Aspire and it's a red finish. Is now in the paint finish is very nice on this vehicle, and front design is same design as Fiesta, Figo and Aspire is the same design at the front, and nothing much difference of three vehicles. So first is first, this is the headlight setup, and no projected setup, LED DRS on offer, and same design of headlight I have done already. If you want to see the vehicle, so Fiesta, please press I button here. So coming to here, fog lamps has nothing on offer. Tuning hook is given here, and front has this grill treatment. Some changes on grill treatment. This is in gloss black finish. So number plate placement is given here. Ford badge. So this is the engine, and 1499cc engine, 98 bhp of power at 3500 rpm and 214 newton meters of torque at 1750 to 2500 rpm as Ford said. Coming to the side, this is a tire profile of Aspire, and it's a sedan car. The profile of the tire is 195 55 15 inches tire, same profile as compared to three vehicles, and only alloy wheels design has been changed. It's in the silver finish. Spokes are nice on this offer, and Ford badge at the center, and see the tire, very nice Apollo tire, and nice fit finish of body and level and tire level. So very nice done. And so this is the side profile of Aspire sedan car. It's, and coming to the side view mirror, this is the same design as compared to three vehicles, and indicator on side view mirror, this is a holder of Aspire and same design, nothing much difference, only a boot space is changed, and it's a sedan car treatment, and nothing much design. Cross cuttings on offer, and antenna is there placed, and no roof race on offer. So windows are large enough. So coming to the rear, so this is a rear profile of Aspire, Ford Aspire titanium badge written on all the vehicles. Titanium badge is written, and this is the key of Aspire. So let's open the boot now. So this is boot open from the keyless entry, and spring, and this there is no hydraulic shocks because of these sedan cars. So there will be only spring operate of boot opening, and see the fit finish of boot, very nice, and 250 liters of boot space, and the boot. So there is no alloy wheel on offer. Spare wheel is no alloy wheel. The profile of the spare wheel is 175 65 14 inches, same spare wheel, no cross cuttings on that, and no insulation on in boot. Ford badge is given here, nice shutdown sound, and Aspire badge there, modified. So titanium badge. So no request sensors, and disappointing, and number plate placement is very low, and no designs, lot of drama at all in this chrome line treatment on Ford badge. So these are the tail lights. So this is a tail light, and there is no LED bulbs etc. Same tail light design compared to all the three vehicles. So I have done already that vlog. Only a reflector His placement is given here on Fiestal, and this is a dummy. So this is a petrol lid. It's a petrol vehicle, 1499cc engine. So same door handles again, same door, no door pockets, and same piano black finish touch on treatment. So power window button and gloss black finish of door handle. So speaker there, and three people can easily sit, and comfort level is very nice on this vehicle. The feeling is very nice because of this color treatment, cream and black touches. So under thigh support is lacking now. So here you can see under thigh support is lacking. Scooped out seats, magazine holder, headroom is massive enough. Headrest is very much low. For above 5.8 people is very much difficult to sit in this seat, and seat of back is very much lower side, and nothing much to say in this vehicle. Adjustable headrest, nice treatment, and there you can see the space. Windows are large enough. Because of this cream color, interior feeling is airy feeling. No AC vents are there, only a cup holder. Interior is same design compared to all the three vehicles. No, not at all much difference of that, and nothing much to say in this rear. Let's go to front and see. These are the front doors, and same door design and door and same treatment on offer. And there you can see the power windows, gloss black finish of door opening, and here you can see the door pocket on offer. 1 liter water bottle, half liter, and magazine holder is easily fit, and there is a speaker, no tweeter on offer. There is a side view mirror adjustable button is given here. So entering into the front seats, so this is a keys of Aspire. So I have done already vlog on this. I have done already vlog on this Fiestal. So if you want to check, please go. I button is here. Please check that. And same interior, nothing much difference. And there you can see the twin cup holders at the front. No center armrest on offer. Manual handbrake. And there you can see the gear lever is design is changed. And in Fiesta, the better design, it's it's new vehicle, only gear lever is changed in that. So 12 volt charging socket is given here. aux and USB port is given here. The mobile holder is given here. These are the AC vents on offer. It's a basic AC vents, no display and auto climate control on this offer, and hazard light switch is given. This is 7-inch touchscreen. Let's on the vehicle now. So this is a 7-inch touchscreen, as same as in the Fiestal. So these are the buttons for in audio controls and infotainment system. So this is a 7-inch touchscreen, and see the gloss black finish on dashboard, very nice. Plastics are nice on offer, very smooth plastics and nothing much harder. So door is open, and it is showing. By closing only it will be on now. And speakers are average, I can say. Speakers are nothing much. So same speakers on offer, same treatment of speakers, volume on offer. Just three variants of cars. Fiestal, Figo, Aspire are the same treatment inside, and color box is also massive enough for documentation of vehicle. And nothing much difference, only interior color is difference, and it's come in the cream and black finish of interior, but in Fiestal it come completely black, and Figo also it comes only in completely black. And navigation, so there you can see the navigation. First navigation is open now. So radio, settings, clock, display, central, general, infotainment, audio, etc. lot of nothing much infotainment system. It's a small screen and nice touch. And no there is a reverse parking camera with adapted guidelines. And so this is the dashboard, plain design and unique design. Massive enough of design of dashboard and massive dashboard. So engine start stop button is given here. This lever is for wipers, and this lever is for trip meter adjustable, and this lever for indicator. And lights are lights is placed on here to on off button, high beam and low beam, pass light, etc. A lot of stuff. Level high light level is given here in this system. So this buttons is for light, headlight adjustable, and gloss black finish treatment on steering wheel. And steering is plastics are nice, and Ford batch is given here. These buttons is only for infotainment system control and call attend. So nothing much. So no mirror with light, and only a mirror with no light. So this is a mic at the center, and these buttons is for lights, door and etc. No auto dimming inside. On offer in Fiesta, it's there auto dimming inside. And so there you can see the time and date on touchscreen. So on total 2 airbags on this vehicle, and 1499cc engine. This is almost same engine treatment, also same in the 3 vehicles. So cream treatment is nice interior feeling compared to Fiesta and Figo. So nice interior airy feeling in this vehicle, I like that. And compared to other vehicles, so seats are nothing much comfortable as compared, and cushion is also average, I can say. Overall nothing much excited to vlog and nothing much to say in this video. So this is a walk around video of Ford Aspire. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.